Hi everyone, I am Kelly Schaffner and I am so glad that you have tuned into my channel for another unboxing. If this is your first time joining me, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much for supporting this channel. I want to thank all of you for your patience with me as I learn how to make videos. I have a very special unboxing for you, and this subscription box is Natalie Attired, and I really enjoy this box, and it is such a pleasure to try on their clothes. Natalie Attired is very comparable to Stitch Fix. It has a lot of similarities in that there is a $20 styling fee. You fill out a style quiz. You are matched with a stylist who picks out 5 items, sends them to you. Postage is free both ways. You have 3 days, just like Stitch Fix, to try everything on and decide what you like. One of the things I really enjoy about Natalie Attired is they seem to send at least 1 or 2 very unique pieces that I haven't seen before, and I really appreciate it. I'm going to leave all of the information about Natalie Attired in my description box below. There is a referral link, and if you would like to use that referral link, that helps me out, and I really appreciate it. I also would like to say thank you to the ladies that used my referral link before. You have offered me some credit by doing that. Thank you very much. It sure helps a girl out and makes it a little bit easier for me to make more videos just like this. So stick around if you want to see what's in this box. There's the bundle. That looks really colorful, and surprisingly, I've never told them, but I love the combination of red and white. You see that red and white in there. This is like they're reading my mind. There's a return mailer for anything that you don't want. Let's open this up and see what's in here. There's always a handwritten note. This is not my stylist, but my stylist again is Annie. I'll read this if I can. Hi Kelly, I included smaller pairs in this collection. Smaller? Yeah, smaller. Let me know how they fit. Also, do you wear capris or skirts? I look forward to your feedback. Enjoy, from Annie. The red and white item is by Skies Are Blue, and oh, I love these colors. This is a white. It feels like a cotton blend. You need to get down. You really like this blouse too, isn't it beautiful? There's some lace right here. It does have a waist here, and it looks almost like a peplum. I am so drawn to these colors. This, just excited to try this on. Next we have another Skies Are Blue top in a, this is kind of a tank, a flowy tank with a V-neck and buttons, and it looks pretty flowy, and I do like those colors, so we'll try that on and see how that works. Next we have, this Skies Are Blue, this says Lelice, and is this 2 pieces? Yes, it is. Okay, the first thing we have, this is beautiful. I like this white, like springtime. This is another cotton tank with a V-neck and a V-back. There's a little lace in the front of that V, and there's a bar in the back. This does look like a pretty thin cotton with some beautiful embroidery there. So that looks very nice. And she had that paired with, who was this? This is Skies Are Blue. This blouse is Skies Are Blue, but there was the Lelice cardigan, and this looks really nice. I like this color, and it's showing up pretty true on the camera, the color. It's a cardigan, it's a shorter cardigan, and can you see there's the waistband there, a little elastic waistband, but there's some draping in the front, so that looks very nice. And last month, out of my Natalie Attired box, I kept the kimono, and that's all I kept. I was considering keeping the gray jeans, and I did end up sending them back because I felt like they were maybe a size too big. I hope, these are Liverpool. They're size 6. These are just a dark denim jean, and no distressing. They look to be kind of a straight leg and not a skinny. So I'm excited to try these on. I'm going to show you everything in just a second. This is the Skyzer Blue blouse, and I really need you to be honest with me because as I look at it on camera, I don't know if it's the best cut for me. This waist so high, and then it's almost like a peplum, just a high waist cut there, and I think accents my large hips. So, but I love the colors of this blouse. I'm going to get up close. I'm not real crazy about this lace detail. I think it's lovely, but it seems I'm just not really into lace. This blouse is lined and it's pretty lightweight. Let me show you the side view of it. It's got the beautiful bell sleeves that I love, and this is the back. There's a keyhole in the back. I like the look of this blouse, but I think it might look a little juvenile for me. So tell me the truth. Anyway, let's go on to the Liverpool jeans. I'll stand back so you can get a better look at these jeans. And they're really simple. I think they're plenty long. Dolce Vita sandals from Trunk Club. I'll give you a close-up before this video is over, but these jeans feel amazing. Liverpool always feels very good. They have the 5-pocket, 2 working pockets in the front, a little coin pocket here, and then the 2 pockets in the back. And, you know, of course I'm going to get a lot of use out of these. This is the Skyzer Blue kind of tank, and this is how it looks. And I kind of like it. It's a little bit flowy, but there doesn't seem to be too much fabric where it almost feels like maternity wear. I'm really enjoying these colors. Let me get up close so you can see these buttons. These are fabric covered buttons, and there is a flap of fabric behind them, so there's nothing exposed there. I appreciate that. This is a fun summertime color, and I just got some brand new coral sandals that would look really nice with this top. This is the cardigan, the draped cardigan by Lelise, and this other beautiful color. I love this color, and I don't own any cardigans in this color. Tell me what you think about the back and the elastic in the back. I like the draping in the front, and it's plenty long in the sleeves, but let me show you. It's an unfinished sleeve. I don't know how I feel about that, but let me see. How does this look? This is an interesting piece, and I'm probably going to have to hear your comments to decide on whether or not I should keep this. The white just doesn't show up that well on camera, but this blouse, I'll get up closer so you can see the detail. There's lace, there's just a lace bar going there. There's also, I didn't notice this when I unboxed it, but there's lace going all the way around the arms there. And then we have the bar in the back. I'll stand back so you can see it. And so this is the blouse. This blouse feels pretty stiff. I wish it was softer, and this lace, it's brand new, so it's pretty stiff as well. I don't know about this one. I don't know about this one at all. The moment of truth, the prices. The first item is the Skyzer Blue red and white embroidered top, and this is $59. $59 for a red and white top. I like the colors, but I don't know if I like the style of the blouse. I did check, it's 100% cotton, and this is a hand wash item. I really like the colors. Next item is this floral top, Skyzer Blue floral top. This is $46. I really like this. This is a machine wash blouse, and I like the colors of it, so I think this is a strong contender. Is the Skyzer Blue lace trim top, and this stiff top. This is 100% cotton, but it can be washed in a machine washable. So I like that about it. $46. I do think it would soften up, but it's also one of those glosses that's going to have to be ironed to look good after a wash. So I have to consider that. The Lalise, it's called the cardigan. This is $59. So tell me if it's $59 beautiful on me. Again, I really like the colors, but I don't know about that elastic in the back. So the last thing are these Liverpool jeans, and they are called the Remy Hugger Straight Pants. So they are straight leg, and they're $96, and they feel amazing. So I think that's about a normal price. I think my last pair of Liverpool I paid $98 for. So the total of this box is $306. That's a lot of money. And my styling fee will be deducted from that. There's also, if I purchase the entire box, there's a 20% discount, which brings it down to $228.80 if I keep the entire box. One of the things I really appreciate about Natalie Attired is that they send me unique pieces, and I ask all my stylists to do that. I have a very healthy wardrobe full of staples, so I really appreciate a unique piece, and they deliver with that every time. I just don't know if these pieces are pieces that I would wear. So I welcome your feedback. In fact, I really need it with this box. I'm not sure what to purchase. And I do have a little bit of credit, so that eases that price tag a little bit, but I still would appreciate your help. As promised, I wanted to share with you these shoes. You saw them in my last video on my feet, but I don't know if I was able to fairly represent how beautiful these shoes are with this block heel. I love them so much. I don't know if this is your thing, but this is my thing, and these shoes have already got a lot of use, and they'll get plenty more through this spring and summer. Thank you so much for joining me for another unbox. Thank you for sticking around to the very end. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to see you again. Please make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in 2 more days with another video with a box full of clothes. Thank you once again. Blessings to you.